In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank reconciliation with Zoho. We'll walk through the process inside Zoho Books so you can make sure your bank balance in Zoho matches what you see on your real bank statement. This is an important routine task that helps you catch errors, missing transactions, or duplicates before they become bigger problems. First, open Zoho Books and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, you'll see a menu or navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Banking. This is where Zoho keeps all your bank and credit card feeds, and it's the starting point for any reconciliation work. Click on Banking. You should now see a list of all the bank accounts and possibly credit cards that you've connected to Zoho Books. Each tile or row represents a different account. Take a moment to locate the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Usually, you'll reconcile one account at a time, based on the bank statement you have on hand. Once you've found the right account, go ahead and select it. This opens the transaction view for that account, showing you all the deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and any imported bank feeds. Before reconciling, it's a good idea to confirm that all recent bank transactions have been imported or manually entered up to the statement date you're working with. Now, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the Banking Transactions page. You should see a small gear icon or settings icon above the transaction list. This is where Zoho keeps some account-specific options. Click on that gear icon to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select Reconcile Account. This will launch the reconciliation screen for the bank account you chose. Zoho will now guide you through the reconciliation process step by step. On the reconciliation screen, follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, Zoho will ask you to enter the statement end date and the closing balance from your bank statement. Make sure you have your bank statement handy so you can type in the exact figures. After that, Zoho will show you a list of transactions and let you mark which ones appear on your statement. Work methodically, matching each transaction in Zoho to the ones on your statement until the difference between Zoho's balance and the bank's balance is zero or within an acceptable range. Continue following Zoho's prompts until the reconciliation is complete, then review the final summary to confirm everything looks correct.